Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mariah if you're new here, and today I'm going to be decorating my whole apartment. But I did want to include a little haul in this, but I just wanted to be quick. So I actually did it yesterday, last night. So I'm just going to go to that really quick, and then once I'm done with that, we'll come back. Hey you guys, so as you can see, I am doing a fall haul. The reason why I didn't do a fall haul separately is because I'm not the biggest fall person. I'm more of a winter person, although I do love fall more than summer. And so this year, I wanted to actually decorate for fall in the best way for me, because I did want to have like some things in my house that were cozy. Yeah, I wanted to have some things in my house that were cozy, that represented that we're out of summer. I just moved into this place in July, and so right now it's pretty neutral because I just love neutral colors, but I wanted something to like make me feel like it is fall, especially because I do live in LA where it's hot until November. Although it is getting really cold, but that's another story. So anyways, yes, I was like, you know what? I want to actually participate in the fall feels this year. I am a little bit behind, but I have a lot of great videos planned for you guys, and I'm excited for you to see. So I thought, what better way to start this than with a fall haul / fall decorate with me. Okay, so the first thing that I got is this burnt orange cropped hoodie. It's so nice. It's thick, it's good material, it's Champion. Got it from Urban Outfitters. But yes, I'm excited to wear this. I'll probably wear this with like high-waisted black leggings and some cozy socks, or with a pair of light wash jeans or like mid-wash jeans. Yeah, this is gonna be easy. It's gonna be a good staple for fall and winter. So the next thing that I got that is clothes, other than, side note, I am doing a fall haul. I am doing a fall try-on haul. That'll be later. So I do have way more fall clothes to show you guys, but these are like my more cozy items. So I got these from the Dollar Spot, which I never really shop in the Dollar Spot until I started watching the cleaning channels. You know, the moms on here, they are all about the Dollar Spot, and I was like, there's some really cute things there. So I got all of these for $1. All of these. Well, there's one more that's missing. That's in my car, and I'll insert a clip of it here. And then I have also another pair of cozy socks that are my fall socks that I don't have. They're also in my car, and I'll insert a clip of them here as well. But yes, these are super cozy. First ones are a pair of socks with pumpkins on them, and then these ones are burnt orange, more burnt orange, and some gray and white stripes. And I thought these would be really cute to throw on and walk around the house in. And they're $1, so I was like, why not? That is it for those items. So now getting into the stuff that I'm actually going to be decorating with. I'm so excited. So I needed more throw pillows because mine were, one, not my style. They were my style, but they were a little bit too, they just weren't with the right colors, and they weren't the type of throw pillows where you can take off the cover, you know, and they kind of were thick, so I couldn't put them in any other cover, so I had to get rid of them. So anyways, so the first thing I got was a pillow that doesn't have a cover, but I can explain. I fell in love with it, and then when I found out, this was also, you guys, I had the hardest time trying to figure out what pillows to get because I didn't want to go too crazy, because I had a rule that all the fall decorations that I got had to fit in my tub that goes underneath my bed. So I had to be smart, and so a lot of the patterns and stuff, it just wasn't working for what I had in my head. So this was the last thing that I found, and it was what I needed. And this actually, I'm gonna keep this out for winter too, so it works. And then I'll just put it up in the summertime. What is this big pillow? It's a a white cream color, probably ivory, but it's cozy. I like it. I mean, I'm a little bit annoyed because I also see that you can't throw it in the wash, so I don't really know how I'm gonna wash it. It says spot clean, so that's easy. But yes, so I got this, and this is gonna go, well, you'll see when I decorate. So I already had this, but I thought I'd include it because they still have a lot of these pillows at Home Goods. I got this one. I got this one from Amazon, actually. I got the cover from Amazon, and then I got the insert from Amazon as well. So I like that, and I might keep that out for winter too, depending on what I do. So this pillow I got, it's pretty cute, I like it, and it's comfortable. You know, I don't like throw pillows that you don't want to like lay on. But I also really like the pillow insert on the inside, and this does unzip, so I can put a different pillowcase over it for the winter and the summer. But I thought that this would be the most my vibe because I'm just not in a farmhouse at all. But I do love a lot of, like, I do love buffalo check or plaid, mostly buffalo check though. I can get down with that, especially for the holidays. So I really like this color. It's a burnt orange. It's a burnt orange and white. You can see it with like some, what is this word? Tweed? I don't know what it is, but it's here and it goes with my aesthetic. So it kind of gives me like a nice fall boho vibe without going farmhouse, because we're not trying to go farmhouse. I have three throws that I'm gonna have on my bed, but I just ordered one from Urban Outfitters. I actually had it before, but the color I had, they discontinued it. I had taupe, which is the most weirdest color to be discontinued, but they replaced it with a color kind of close to it called sand. So I just ordered that, which I'll insert a picture of it here. But I also have this throw pillow, which is from Target. Oh yes, that pillow that I just talked about. Well, these two, you know what? I got this from, I got this pillow from Target, and I got this pillow from Home Goods. Okay, so this blanket I got from Target. Target's the Threshold brand. It's the Threshold brand, and it doesn't have the price on it, but like I said, if I can find it, I'll link it below. But I just thought this was cool. It mixed up the texture with what I'm doing with the, I wanted my couch to feel very cozy and textured. So yes, this is a different type of texture. And then I got this throw, which I really liked, because it's burnt orange, as you can see, with like this cream. And then it has these little frillies on the end, so it's very boho. It's definitely my style and incorporates fall, so I'm very excited to decorate with those things. And then also, so the last thing, and I just had a list of stuff. I just wanted to add like a touch of fall in my house, except for my room. I haven't really done a lot of setting up in there yet. I got kitchen towels from Home Goods, and these were $5.99, and I got 3 of them. It's the same, it feels like it's the same brand as the other ones that I have that I showed you guys. But yeah, I'm excited to use these, and it'll make it make it feel fall. It definitely will. So if you have a smaller space, or you don't want to spend a lot of money, but you want your home to feel festive, I think the best way to do that is by changing candles and your towels that you're hanging. In my case, I didn't want to have towels that were just decoration though. So I really like these ones because they don't look dirty, they last, you can like wipe your hands on them, they're durable and they're thick. I really like these. So now let's get into scents, which is my favorite part of any season. Okay, so the first thing that I got scent-wise are the Cedar Incense. I got these from Amazon. So yeah, I got these Cedar Incense, and it comes with a holder. I don't have the holder here, it's over there, but it holds these cones. And all you need is 1 cone, and you'll smell it. You just tear them off and then light them, and they smell really good. They smell like fall, winter. They smell like cedar, so it definitely makes it feel holiday-ish up in your house. I definitely know I'll have these hella birded during Christmas, like with a little fire playing on the TV. Give a nice little vibe. Okay, so then the next thing I have is all candles. It's the last thing that I have. So the first 2 I want to mention have been mentioned before, but I just want to give an honorable mention to them because these are the OGs. I got these in the summer, and I've been waiting to burn them. I started burning this one. It smells really good. Just trim that wick down. If it's high, if it's higher than 3 inches, if it's anywhere close to 3 inches, cut it down, even if it feels like it's short. That's what I had to do. And I just cut them with tweezers after they were burned, and now the flame is very short. But just be careful because my friend had a whole incident with the same candle and it just was a hot mess. The second candle I have is this apple spice one, and I already showed this too. But I just want to mention them again. All of these candles are from Home Goods, but it smells so good. So this is the same brand as that pumpkin clove one. It's called Apple Spice, and it smells really good. Yeah, it smells really bomb. It just smells like apple spice, honestly. It smells really good. I also probably should have been burning this in September, but oh well. I still have November though to get through my apple stuff before, I don't know what the vibe is going to be for December, but it's not going to be apple. So I'm very excited about this. It's a wood wick, so same thing goes. Cut these down. Cut all your wood wicks down. If you see black coming out of the flame, the wick is too long. The next candle I got is this pumpkin harvest one. It's the Sand and Fog brand. This smells really good. It smells like pumpkin, but it's very light. It kind of smells like pumpkin and apple spice. The next thing I have is an heirloom pumpkin candle, also wood wick stem. I had this brand burning on my coffee table in vanilla latte scent, and I really like the candle. It's a very, very, very loud crackle with the wood stem, so you can really hear it, even over TV, which I like because it really feels like you're in a cozy home, and it feels like a fire's burning. That's how loud it is. Another candle that I have, also that same brand, is Warm Sandalwood. I really like this. I don't know where I'm gonna have half these candles burning, so I don't know. I might keep this in the coffee bar, but I also may put this in my bathroom. I don't know. Another big candle that I got, called Warm Flannel. I really like this one. It has the wax is black, which is really cool. And this smells manly, but it also smells very fresh and not too cologne-y. I bought a candle last year during this time, and I thought I'd like it because I like the way the man scent smells, but this was so intense that it actually made my eyes water. I really don't know how to explain it. It just didn't, it smelled too much like cologne burning. This one definitely smells warm. Okay, so the last pumpkin candle that I have is this pumpkin latte candle, Sand and Fog. Oh, it smells so good. It really smells like, the vanilla latte candle that I have, but with pumpkin added to it. But I really like it. Definitely smells like a latte. So the last candle that I have that I'm probably not gonna burn until December is this cinnamon apple candle, or I'll burn it like late November. But it just looks like the vibe I'm gonna go for my Christmas decor, and it smells so holidays. Like when I smell this, I skip October and November and I go straight to Christmas. I love the smelling of this. And cinnamon apple kind of always makes me think of Christmas time too, you know, Nordstrom, Macy's, when you're shopping for the holidays, how their store smells. This is how it smells, so I really like this. So that's everything that I have for my fall haul, and now we'll just get into me decorating.
Already fed the poke, niggas too scared to go. Hey, 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 hey. I couldn't like hands and soap. Get a meat, let it drag on the floor. It's a 9 in the bed that I told. Working hard, we ain't having no hope. Bitch on the man, did it with no advance. Give my nigga a chance. Tryna see what he gon' do. He done ran up them bands. I done got me some bands too. I can drip on the ground too. I might let it down too. I can't decide which foreign car I'ma ride. The phantom roast body is what I made the bumpy leather was. I put some on Ross.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna give you guys a tour of my apartment with the lights off so you guys can feel the vibe in here. But I did want to outro this video right now. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. It means so much to me. Please follow me on Instagram and Twitter. My Instagram is @_Mariah Symone, and my Twitter is @_Mariah Symone with 3 E's. Yes, but I hope you enjoyed the apartment and you feel the fall vibe. And until my next video, bye.